Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. Electric scraper from Parkside, the model PES 250A1 for removing coatings from surfaces, carpet, paint and adhesive residues. Rated power consumption 250 watts, stroke length 2.2 mm, oscillation rate 6500, 8500 and 9500 SPM. Accessories included with a 3 years warranty. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. Huge cable length, 3 meters, I like that. What else included? We have 4 different type of accessories. Chisel, 15 mm. Blade scraper, 45 mm. Blade scraper, 60 mm. And the spatula, 57.2 mm. That is all the accessories. And the tool, first, second and third speed. Soft elements around, I like that. And we have the accessory lock here. Unlock. Okay, nice. You need to lock it and then it doesn't move. Unlock again, same and for the other. Lock back, doesn't move. I like it. I think that goes like that. Lock. Nice. Same and for this one. So let's plug it in. Okay. Now I have some surfaces here, wood, different type of glues, this carpet. I'm impressed with the power of its size, the easy blade changes and how much time it saves compared to manual scrapping. If you've got a DIY project coming, this tool can definitely make things a lot easier. If you have a big renovation project coming up, such as tackling old tile adhesive, removing layers of paint or scrapping floor coverings, this tool will save you a lot of time and effort. Its 250 watts motor and variable speed control provide the power and precision needed to remove stubborn materials without excessive manual labor. It makes the hardest part of demolition genuinely manageable. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss my next tool review or workshop comparison. Thanks a lot for watching, stay safe on your DIY project and I'll see you in the next one.